Tired of unwanted pests ruining your outdoor time? Today we're laying out the ultimate safe and guaranteed blueprint to completely eradicate mosquitoes around your property. It's a system that's 100% harmless to honeybees, butterflies, and pets. And it's incredibly simple to execute. Let's break down the exact step-by-step system professional pest management teams utilize. Step 1. Crafting the DIY Mosquito Decoy Bucket. Female mosquitoes seek out stagnant water to deposit their eggs. Even an amount as small as a bottle cap is enough. We're going to take advantage of this behavior by creating a controlled, lethal egg-laying environment. First, grab a 5-gallon bucket. Color choice is critical here. Select orange, black, or red, but avoid white or light shades because darker, vivid colors attract them. Fill the container roughly halfway full with water. Next, toss in a handful of organic debris, lawn clippings, fallen leaves, or small twigs. As that vegetation decays in the water, it creates a swampy scent that mosquitoes just can't resist. Now for the secret active ingredient, Mosquito Bits. Add 1 heavy tablespoon directly into the floating debris. No stirring required. Mosquito Bits contain Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, or BTI, which is a naturally occurring soil bacterium. As those granules soak, BTI spreads through the water. When mosquitoes deposit their eggs, the hatched larvae consume the bacteria and perish within 24 hours. The best part? BTI is entirely non-toxic to fish, wild birds, pets, livestock, honeybees, and butterflies. You can even use it in backyard fish ponds. Each bucket treatment stays effective for 14 to 28 days before needing a fresh spoonful. Step 2. Strategic placement and weather protection. Where you position your decoy buckets determines how well they work. Place them away from main gathering spots like pools, back patios, or front porches to lure breeding insects away from your living spaces. Prime locations include storage sheds, pole barns, or beneath roof overhangs. Now, heavy rainfall can dilute your BTI concentration. If you're placing buckets in open flower beds or exposed garden areas, build a simple rain guard. Take the bucket lid, attach 4 small wooden dowels to the underside as support legs, and mount the raised lid over the open bucket. This creates a sheltered entryway for mosquitoes while keeping rainwater out. And if bright orange buckets clash with your garden aesthetics, just tuck them behind shrubs or thick foliage. Mosquitoes prefer shaded, sheltered spots anyway. Step 3. Source reduction. Always inspect your yard for random items holding rainwater. Things like abandoned pet dishes, empty planters, or clogged gutters filled with organic debris. Either tip them over and drain them, or if a water source can't be emptied, sprinkle a small amount of mosquito bits directly inside. Step 4. Treating larger bodies of stagnant water. For expansive areas that hold moisture for long periods, like drainage ditches, low spots in the lawn, or culverts, use Mosquito Dunks. These are solid, donut-shaped rings made of compressed BTI. Simply toss a dunk into the standing water. A single disc covers up to 100 square feet of surface area and slowly releases BTI over time. Step 5. Repelling adult mosquitoes. While BTI eliminates larvae and eggs, you still need to address fully grown adult mosquitoes. For an all-natural option, use Mosquito Beater, an essential oil concentrate. It acts as a repellent using concentrated plant oils. It won't kill adults on contact, but it drives them away. 1 bottle covers roughly 5,000 square feet and lasts 14 to 21 days, depending on rainfall. Instead of using the hose and attachment, mix the formula into a standard backpack garden sprayer with water for better precision. Spray the underside of plant leaves where mosquitoes rest during the heat of the day, and lightly mist under outdoor sofas, chairs, door frames, and patio fan areas. It won't stain furniture or harm your garden blooms. Step 6. Upgrading to professional-grade extermination. If you want maximum, long-lasting control that actually kills adult mosquitoes rather than just repelling them, upgrade your liquid spray to Barracore by OnView. Barracore is a botanical, essential oil-based formulation containing sesame, cinnamon, clove, and thyme oils. It utilizes microencapsulation, meaning microscopic protective shells bind the active ingredients to plant foliage so it resists rain wash-off and lasts a full 30 days. Unlike traditional synthetic chemical sprays, Barracore will not harm honeybees or butterflies, making it completely safe to spray directly onto flowering plants visited by pollinators. For a standard or low infestation, mix 2 ounces of Barracore per gallon of water in your backpack sprayer. That's 8 ounces for a standard 4-gallon tank. If you're dealing with a heavy infestation, bump it up to 4 ounces per gallon. Shake the solution thoroughly to ensure an even, milky mixture, then coat the undersides of garden leaves in heavy ground cover. Set up your buckets, treat your standing water, spray your foliage, and take your yard back.